Hi there everyone, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration. We are going to carry on with our zigzag card. I've just done the first front cover and we had a lot of fun doing that. So I'm going to turn over and move on to the next page. So as you know that this is a cotton card, it is slightly textured. I quite like the effect that the texture comes through. So it's something a little bit different. So let's get started. I've got a stencil here somewhere. And this is one of our flourish stencils. And I'm going to use the mulberry for this. So just always take a little off, just test it first. And then placing that over the top, I'm going to just bring that straight in. Just pulling that through. Do love this colour, it's one of my favourites. And let's see what we've got. Look at that, isn't it fab? Love it on that texture. Okay. So I've got lime punch here, and I think these two colours go really nicely together. I'm just going to go over the top, just bring in some of that green. Let's do a little bit up here, let's do a bit up here. As I say, don't be frightened of just putting things over the top, you know, spray it, stick it. You can always layer it up. If you've made a mistake, just put something else on top, and that's what makes it really easy to work with. Okay, so I've got my dandelion here. I'm going to ink this up, and I think I'm going to ink up in the twilight. So pop that down round about there. Give that a good press. And look at that. I think that stamped out so much better than what I thought it was going to. I'm really pleased. So I'm going to do another one. Just put one there. And I'm going to do one more. This time I'm going to take just a little bit off. So it's just looking like it's sitting behind. Got another one of our new stamps here. And this time I'm going to ink up in the golden meadow. Let's just pop that on the side of the card. And just pop one or two around down at the bottom here. I've got a couple of smaller stamps. I've got Shady Lane here. I'm going to ink that up. Just pop one or two down the bottom. You can get a nice bit of depth going on by using different colours. And this time I'm going to ink up in the Chianti. So I'm keeping that colour theme. I'm going to use this stamp here, but I think I'm going to stamp it onto a separate piece of paper. So let's just grab, let me just measure. So I'm going to add a little bit of the Sundance. And then I'm going to go around the edge. Now you don't have to use these colours. You can use any colours that you like. And then I'm going to grab my small stencil brush I'm just going to blend the edge just so it's not too harsh. Okay, there we go. And now I've got our script stamp. I'm going to ink up in the Chianti again. I'm going to take off, because I only want it very faint. There we go. And now I'm going to ink up one of our lovely fairy pods. I'm going to pop that down like so. So this time I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne. And let's just stamp that down like so. Because you're stamping straight onto paper, that should be fine. There's no texture on the paper. And let's have a look. Let's have a look, see if that works. So I'm quite happy with that. So let's take my bippity boppity. Just go around the edge, a little bit of glue. You don't need much of this, it's got really good tack on it. I'll pop that down like so. Okay, and we've got a couple of stickers here, so let's have a look which one. Got a little black mark at the top there, so I'm just going to pop that over the top. Nobody even knew that was there. I might just pop another one down as well. Okay, there we go. Okay, I've got a little bit of a space here, so I might use one of our mini stamps. I only need it to be a very light colour because I quite like the space, but it just needs something. So I'm going to go with the Golden Meadow. Let's just test the water. Yeah. So stamp off. And there's just a hint of something there now. So now I'm going to just use some of our foils to go inside this pod. So I need my glue pen. So I'm just going to fill that. And then it's blue at the moment, the colour, but it will dry clear. And once it goes clear, it's really tacky. And that is the point you want to put your foils on. Okay, so I'm going to heat that up to dry it off a little bit quicker. And just have a feel, and you can sense how tacky it is by just touching. And then I've got my foils. So we're going to grab some of those, put that over the top. There's no easy way to do the foils, just have to not sneeze basically. Okay, and take a brush and just rub any of the excess off. Gather up all the little bits as well. Okay, so next step, I'm going to put a little bit of colour inside the dandelion heads. So taking the mulberry, what I'm going to do is get my water bottle, spritz in the lid, because these are water-based inks, so you can add water to them and paint with them. So I'm just going to bring in just a hint of colour. Now the Posca pens, just looking at what colours I've used. So I might use an orange. actually go for a turquoise. Just a little bit of another colour. That's quite nice. Quite like that other colour in it. That's great. Okay, so lastly I'm going to use the stickles here, golden rod. Couldn't see it for a minute. And I'm going to just pop that down at the bottom here, and then just put my finger over the top, giving it a little bit of a, moving it all into place. And of course, if you don't want to use your finger to smudge it all in, you can just use a brush. Just remember to wash your brush afterwards. And there we have it. So that's our second page of our zigzag card. I think it's looking great so far. I hope you guys are liking it too. I'm really enjoying it actually, so I can't wait to get started on the third one. Thanks so much for joining me again, guys. Comment below what you think. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye for now.